you like my makeup? Okay, it's the last day of, hopefully, of reorganizing and everything. I have stuff separated into piles, okay? So the closet of this room houses like art stuff, a lot of art stuff for my kids, and some of my art stuff for like art journals and cross stitching and things like that, extra camera stuff. So I've got a portion of the room of art stuff that needs to get put away, and then a portion of the room of like makeup and beauty products and stuff that for whatever reason have just been laying everywhere, that also need to get put away. And then like there's some organizers, if I don't use, they're gonna go back out to the garage. And then there's just some random stuff, but we are going to try to put this all away. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put away all of the little random shit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this because there's a lot. I don't understand how all of this stuff was like on my floor. I don't know. Okay, so this is pile number 1. This is like the random stuff that just needs to get put away. I have hair tools, which I need to go through because like this, oh my God, I can't move. This Remington hair curler set, I hate this so much. It won't stay in my hair, so I'm gonna donate this. I just got this too, which sucks, but I can't get, like, I don't like the curls that this makes, so I'm gonna end up donating that. So that needs to go into another new pile, and then the rest of this, it's just random stuff. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of separate it as to where it goes and make it into, oh my God, little piles. That goes over there. This stuff is cleaning products, so it goes over here. This stuff though, I don't know where it's gonna end up going. So I'm gonna pull out the stuff that's gonna go like over here. That's what I'm gonna do first. We're gonna pull out the stuff that goes over here on this side, and then I can go from there. So I've learned that most of this stuff doesn't go over here. I have a little pile over here. We've got lip products. We've got patches, which go in those little bins up there, but that's not where they're going to stay. That also goes in those little bins up there. Okay, so first of all, these need to get put away. So let's do that. Okay, so I have all of my press-on nails, and then this drawer, which is the last drawer in the skincare side, has all of my samples in it. I actually really like how this is organized, and I want to try to move in my excess samples in here if I can get them to fit, but I need to kind of consider, I'm doing the Shop Your Samples project. Do I want to keep my samples in here? There's 2 levels. Or do I want to move this drawer, or do I want to move the nail drawer? This drawer is my other nail drawer, so obviously I'd like to have them together, but then where do I move the samples to? I'm considering, because I'm going to have a tool drawer, I could keep them next to it, or like, do I really need a sample drawer? Because I'm doing the Shop Your Samples project pan, wouldn't it be better just to like move them out? But then the other part of me is like, if I'm doing the Shop My Samples Project Pan, do I even really need a sample drawer? But then like realistically, there's 2 levels to this. It's gonna take me a while to get through all of these. So I feel like I should have a sample drawer for now at least, but maybe I can move it to a different section, like where I'm gonna have the tool drawer. And then I can put the nails in here. And once I'm done with the samples, ideally at some point in the future, I can make that drawer into something else. So let's do that. I'm gonna figure out how I want to organize these. I've got some of these Tip Beauty ones from BoxyCharm. This is a set of like just tips. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along because most of these don't fit my nails and it kind of sucks. So those are gonna go ahead and go. This is a pack from Amazon of a bunch of different ones that I still need to try because I have not tried those yet. This is a set I've already used. Why do I still have it? I don't know. I don't love how this is set up. I'm gonna come back to this drawer because I have a couple of other packs of nails like somewhere around here. I'm gonna come back to this drawer and then we can like organize it. Okay, so now we're moving into some of the random stuff. I'm gonna put the sample bins over here because those are gonna go into the drawers on that side. Then I've got this basket right here with random stuff in it. So I've got some makeup from the Shit That Don't Fit bin that desperately needs to be like wiped down because it's so greasy. I'm gonna wipe all of this stuff off. This stuff goes in my everyday makeup bin. And I'm going, or my everyday makeup drawer, I guess. And I'm going to be reorganizing that as well. I just need to get there. This is an ice roller. I have one of these upstairs and I don't use these very often. So this one I'm gonna go ahead and donate as well. In this bin, we have some more skincare that never got put away. So this stuff needs to get put away. And, oh, some perfume samples that also need to get put away, but those will go with the samples. And then I've got this cute little bin. What am I gonna do with it? I don't know. That's gonna go over to the side. Right now my plan is just kind of go through this stuff, get it separated to where, like in the general area it's going to live, and then I'm gonna actually go through everything and put it all away. So this face makeup also is going to go into my everyday makeup drawer because actually, so I've got this stuff. This is the stuff that like doesn't quite fit, but it's not in the Shit That Don't Fit because the Shit That Don't Fit was made before I rearranged my drawer and pulled these out. I'm going to put these in this little bin because I would like to be able to choose between them. Hand sanitizer goes on the vanity. This is a watermelon brush mat. It's so cute. And it actually goes over on this side. This is stuff that's going to go into the excess bin. Be Your Own Sugar Daddy candle. That's going to go over there. Eyeliner, concealer, that's like a body glow type thing. I'm going to use it as a body glow. A couple of eye brushes that can go over there. Matches that go with the candle. That's tools. That's an open mascara, eyeliner, sheet masks, more nails. Another little candle. That goes in here. That's an oil, that's a serum, a candle, concealer, flowers, eyeliner, matches, sharpener, eye brush, open mascara, eye primer, color corrector, nail glue, tweezers, matches, a mist, and this is like a bulk set of detail tweezers. Okay, so I changed my makeup, by the way. This is a different day. It's an entirely different day. We're gonna start over here. I have some masks that I'm going to get put away. There's like a chair right in my way. Why didn't you move it, Shandy? I don't know, that's a great question. And then I've got these bins up here that I went through. So this one is, this is disgusting, oh my god. Is like body glow products. So I'm gonna put the body glow in there. Oh, and then that body glow. And then in my brush washing bin, which will probably get moved up to the top. Let's be real. I'm gonna put that shit. And then I think I'm gonna put my camera right here because I like having the camera there. And then I got the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Finishing Spray. So we're gonna find that a home. I'm already missing the cap, which of course I am. All right, I'm gonna end up using a couple of these and I'm just gonna put those right there. One of them is gonna be to hold nail glue. One of them is gonna be to hold, I don't know what. I haven't gotten that far yet. Probably cuticle sticks, if I had to guess. I like that a little bit more. I have a couple of face palettes to put away, a cream palette, and then this palette, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and put in my, oh shit, my teeny tiny palette drawer. Okay, so in this drawer set, this is my small eyeshadow palettes are right here. In this drawer set, I have one empty drawer and two empty drawers. I think the samples are gonna go down here and the tools are gonna go right here. I need a cleaner though. Even my paper towels are destroyed, like those poor things. So I'm gonna wipe out these drawers really quick because God only knows when the last time they've been cleaned out was. This bottom drawer I'm going to use for my samples. Obviously have like quite a bit of samples, including, so I've got this basket right here, which you can't see, but it's there. And then I have these two organizers. I like these organizers. I'd like to keep them in the organizers obviously, but I need to figure out what I can kind of fit in here because these are all divided up by category, and then whatever's left, like some of this stuff just takes up too much space to really fit more than a couple, right? So I need to figure out, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit any more skincare in here. I might be able to fit, like I have this little set of Ellis Brooklyn fragrance layering things. So I think I'm going to try to toss those in here. Then I can recycle this. But I honestly, I don't think I'm going to be able to fit much else in there. Okay, so okay, so then I'm just going to put the rest of the samples in here. They all fit my sample drawer. Look at how pretty it looks. It's so nice and organized. Oh, okay, I love it. So now, again, hair. Where did it come from? Oh my God. Tool drawer. I think I'm trying to figure out like what type of organizer I want to put in these. I'm trying to think if it would be easier to have like just a basic one, or if it would be easier to do like a bunch of little pieces. Let me size some stuff out. Where are all of these hairs coming from? Oh, I'm gonna lose it. I'm going to lose it. Did these even fit? They so would. Okay. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean this. Then I'm going to clean out these little containers. I don't even know where I got these containers from, to be honest with you. It was either like Walmart or the dollar store years and years and years and years ago, because I know that these are some of my oldest containers. So, tools. I've got random stuff. I've got like these swatch stickers that I'm going to stick in the back there. I use those for different things, mostly swatches. But I would like to keep them. I just need like a home for them. So I'm going to stick those in the back. I have some of these triangle wedge sponges. I got a big ass pack of these from TJ Maxx. I'm going to put these in here. I don't use these for regular makeup, but I use them when I'm using like cream color all over my face. Not very often, but it does happen sometimes. And then the last drawer in this drawer set from the Cubbies are these little containers that I use to like decant samples in and things like that. So I'm going to just move those in the back here. So I have them if I need them. But yeah, and I just ordered like a big pack of these off of Amazon when I started my sample project. It's also really nice if like I need a little something something, but not like a whole lot. I don't know. They work well for multi-purpose and they are reusable. Now this little drawer set can go back to the garage. I'm gonna put this right here. This is my stuff for depotting just randomly. So I think I'm gonna do one little section for hairbrushes, I guess. I have these mini bun forms. I don't even know. There's another one. I've got some Okay, that actually needs to go with my hair stuff. This stuff needs to go in the vanity. What the hell do I do with these? I guess I can put them right there. Here's a selfie light I never use. Oh, I've got a bunch of these, the reusable, you'll know what I'm talking about? They're gonna go in here. Fucking beauty blender shit. Color switch. Palettes to mix color on. I don't even know why I have that. I don't know why I have that. The mirror. Phone stand. That's for deodorant removal. Another mirror. Okay, like literally all of this shit can go. I need none of it. Okay, I think we're about done. So, you guys, I'm gonna kind of walk you around a little bit. Ignore the equipment, but those pictures are gonna go on the wall behind there. Obviously, you've got the vanity. It's looking great. Look at how pretty that looks. Look, nothing on the shelves. Look at how beautiful this looks. I love it. Now the rest of the room still has all of my arts and crafts stuff. That's the art supply closet for my kids' stuff. And then we've got a whole bunch of organizers and stuff over here. And then my desk. So obviously, still need to work on that, but I won't bore you guys with that. This was kind of our big thing for the day. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. So, I'll catch you guys later. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go take a nap. Bye.